Deep in the heart of Japan lies Shirakami-Sanchi, a primeval forest straddling the mountains of Akita and Aomori prefectures. Here, towering trees draped in moss rise towards the heavens, and crystal-clear streams cut through dense undergrowth. Shirakami-Sanchi is a sanctuary for countless species, offering a glimpse into a past untouched by human hands. Shirakami-Sanchi is a living museum, safeguarding the last virgin beech forests in Japan. These ancient trees form a verdant canopy, with sunlight dappling the forest floor. This untouched wilderness offers insights into the delicate balance of nature. The forest floor, a tapestry of ferns and mosses, shelters myriad creatures. For centuries, the indigenous people lived in harmony with the forest, their traditions still alive today. Visiting Shirakami-Sanchi is about understanding the importance of preserving such pristine wilderness. It's about recognizing the delicate balance of life within its borders and appreciating the cultural heritage linked to this enchanting forest. Shirakami-Sanchi is a botanist's dream, dominated by the Siebold's beech. These ancient giants, some over 30 meters tall, stand as silent guardians. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting an ethereal glow. Walking through these forests is like stepping back in time. The beech forests are a complex ecosystem, providing shelter to myriad creatures. The forest floor teems with life, from fungi to insects. Each step reveals a new wonder, a testament to nature's creativity. Shirakami-Sanchi is a haven for wildlife, where rare species thrive. The Japanese black bear roams freely, while agile seros navigate steep slopes. The skies are alive with the flutter of wings, including the endangered golden eagle. The haunting call of the Japanese scops owl echoes through the trees at dusk. The forest is home to a staggering array of insects, amphibians, and reptiles. Each species plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Shirakami-Sanchi is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The silence of Shirakami-Sanchi is a symphony of subtle noises. The wind whispers through the beech trees, rustling their leaves. Water flows over rocks, creating a soothing melody. Birdsong provides the soundtrack, with woodpeckers and warblers adding to the chorus. As dusk descends, the forest comes alive with crickets and frogs. The occasional hoot of an owl breaks the silence. In the heart of this ancient forest, one can find peace and tranquility. Shirakami-Sanchi is a living testament to the bond between humanity and nature. The Matagi, skilled hunters, revered the forest as a sacred space. Their traditional practices offer valuable lessons for modern society. The spiritual essence of Shirakami-Sanchi is palpable. Shrines and temples nestled among the trees offer peace and tranquility. Local folklore is rich with tales of mythical creatures. These ancient beliefs add depth and meaning to any visit. The passage of time has left its mark on Shirakami-Sanchi. Ruins of charcoal kilns and old logging trails offer a glimpse into the past. These vestiges of human presence add historical significance to the landscape. In 1993, Shirakami-Sanchi was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its untouched beech forests and rich biodiversity highlight its global importance. The site offers invaluable insights for scientists studying forest dynamics and climate change. Shirakami-Sanchi serves as a refuge for endangered species, crucial for global conservation efforts. Shirakami-Sanchi's virgin forests are largely untouched by human intervention. These pristine habitats provide a baseline for understanding natural forest processes. Scientists study these ecosystems to inform conservation strategies. The traditional practices of the Matagi resonate with people worldwide, highlighting the importance of preserving cultural heritage. Becoming a World Heritage Site is not just an honor, it comes with responsibilities. The Japanese government, along with local communities and conservation organizations, are tasked with the crucial role of safeguarding Shirakami-Sanchi for future generations. This includes implementing strict conservation measures, monitoring the health of the ecosystem, and promoting sustainable tourism practices that minimize human impact on the delicate balance of the forest. Education plays a vital role in these efforts. Visitors to Shirakami-Sanchi are educated about the importance of staying on designated trails, minimizing waste, and respecting the forest and its inhabitants. Local communities are actively involved in conservation efforts, recognizing the intrinsic value of the forest not just for its ecological significance, but also for its cultural heritage and economic well-being. The UNESCO designation has also brought about increased funding and support for research and conservation projects in Shirakami-Sanchi. Scientists from around the world collaborate with local experts to study the forest's biodiversity, monitor the impacts of climate change, and develop innovative conservation strategies. This collaborative approach ensures that the best available knowledge and resources are being used to protect this invaluable treasure for generations to come. Shirakami-Sanchi, with its UNESCO World Heritage status, stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of international collaboration and the importance of preserving our planet's most precious ecosystems. Even in a place as seemingly untouched as Shirakami-Sanchi, shadows of change loom. This pristine wilderness faces growing threats from human activities beyond its borders. The delicate balance of its ecosystem is vulnerable to forces both near and far. Invasive species are a pressing concern. They outcompete native species, disrupt food webs, and introduce diseases. Global trade and travel make this threat ever more present. Changing demographics in rural Japan add to the challenge. Depopulation means fewer resources for conservation efforts. Climate change, with its far-reaching and unpredictable effects, casts a long shadow over Shirakami-Sanchi. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and an increase in extreme weather events all pose significant risks to this delicate ecosystem. The beech forests, adapted to specific temperature and moisture regimes, are particularly vulnerable. Changes in climate could lead to shifts in the distribution of tree species, with some areas becoming unsuitable for beech trees to thrive. This, in turn, would have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem, impacting the animals that depend on these trees for food and shelter. Furthermore, warmer temperatures could increase the incidence of pests and diseases that affect beech trees, making them more susceptible to infestations and die-offs. Shirakami-Sanchi's isolation, once a shield against such threats, becomes less effective in a world where climate change can rapidly alter the distribution and behavior of pests and pathogens. The delicate balance of this ancient forest, honed over millennia, faces an uncertain future in a world grappling with the consequences of a changing climate. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand these complex interactions and predict how climate change might impact Shirakami-Sanchi in the coming decades. Their research is crucial for informing conservation strategies and developing adaptive management plans to mitigate the risks posed by a warming world. Despite these challenges, hope for Shirakami-Sanchi burns bright. The Japanese government, local communities, and scientists are working together to protect this irreplaceable treasure. Their shared commitment to conservation offers a beacon of hope and a model for protecting other ecosystems. Early detection and rapid response are key strategies for mitigating invasive species. Regular monitoring and swift action help control invasive plants and animals. Public awareness campaigns educate visitors about the importance of not bringing outside plants or animals into the forest. Addressing climate challenges requires reducing greenhouse gas emissions and local adaptation strategies. Scientists study the genetic diversity of beech trees to find resilient variations. This guides forest management practices, ensuring resilient trees are protected. Efforts are underway to restore degraded areas and create wildlife corridors. These corridors are crucial for species migration and maintaining genetic diversity. Shirakami-Sanchi stands as a testament to the power of nature, a verdant sanctuary where time seems to flow at a different pace. Our journey through this ancient wilderness has revealed a place of profound beauty, ecological significance, and cultural richness. We've stood in the shadow of towering beech trees, their branches reaching skyward like the arms of ancient giants. We've marveled at the intricate web of life that thrives beneath their emerald canopy, a symphony of colors, sounds, and smells that engage the senses and stir the soul. We've traced the footsteps of the Matagi, the indigenous people who have lived in harmony with this forest for centuries, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of the landscape. Their stories, passed down through generations, whisper of respect for nature, sustainable living, and a deep spiritual connection to the wild. Shirakami-Sanchi is more than just a collection of trees and streams. It is a living museum, a time capsule that offers a glimpse into a past when humans lived in closer harmony with the natural world. Its pristine ecosystems, largely untouched by human intervention, provide invaluable insights for scientists studying biodiversity, climate change, and the delicate balance of life on Earth. The UNESCO World Heritage designation, a testament to its global significance, has brought international attention and support for its conservation. Yet, even in this remote paradise, shadows of change loom. The encroachment of invasive species, the impacts of climate change, and the socio-economic challenges facing rural Japan all pose threats to Shirakami-Sanchi's long-term well-being. However, the challenges facing Shirakami-Sanchi are not insurmountable. The dedication of the Japanese government, the tireless efforts of conservation organizations, and the passion of local communities offer hope for the future. Through scientific research, sustainable tourism practices, and community engagement, they are working together to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. Their efforts serve as a model for conservation efforts around the world, demonstrating that with collaboration, dedication, and a shared vision, we can protect even the most vulnerable ecosystems from the challenges of the 21st century. Shirakami-Sanchi is a reminder that the fate of our planet's wild places is intricately linked to our own. As we continue to grapple with the consequences of climate change, habitat loss, and biodiversity decline, the lessons learned from this ancient forest become ever more crucial. Shirakami-Sanchi teaches us the importance of humility, respect for nature, and the interconnectedness of all living things. It reminds us that we are not separate from nature, but rather a part of it, and that our actions have far-reaching consequences for the delicate balance of life on Earth. A journey to Shirakami-Sanchi is more than just a travel experience. It is a pilgrimage. Reconnect with nature, immerse in the wild, and understand our place in the world. Whether seeking adventure, solace, or peace, Shirakami-Sanchi offers something for everyone. Imagine walking beneath the emerald canopy, the air thick with pine and damp earth, footsteps muffled by fallen leaves. Picture standing on a mountain ridge, gazing over a sea of green, the wind whispering through the trees. Encounter shy creatures, a Japanese sorrow, a golden eagle, or a colorful salamander. Countless wonders await those who heed the call of the wild. This ancient forest, a sanctuary of life, stands as a beacon of hope. Nature endures, offering solace and inspiration. Pack your bags, lace up your boots, and prepare to be amazed by Shirakami-Sanchi.